Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make Roblox mobile look like PC. So for an example, if I open up Roblox, this is what it looks like on the actual app. Okay, doesn't look too much like the PC version, but to fix this you can go ahead and open up Google, and then you can go to roblox.com on your web browser on your phone. Okay, just like that. And once that loads, this is going to give you, say, continue in app, but right there in gray at the bottom of that button it says continue in browser. So I'm going to select continue in browser, and then I'll just log in here. Okay, so once I filled in my information, I click on to log in, and that'll just take a moment to load up. Okay, so I'm going to go continue in browser, and as you can see I'm now logged in, and it looks much more like the actual desktop version. Okay, you can click on the side, the three lines, and you can see it has the whole menu and everything like that, so that's great. So if you want to have the Roblox on your phone look like the PC version, just use a web browser. So if this helped you out, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel.